Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix ScienceDirect login problems, account and access errors step by step clearly. If you are experiencing login problems with ScienceDirect, follow these steps. Start by checking your internet connection to ensure it is stable. Open your web browser and navigate to the ScienceDirect login page. Double check that you are entering the correct username and password. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password using your registered email address. Check your email inbox for a password reset link and follow the instructions provided. If you are using a university or institutional login, make sure you are connected to your institution's network. Clear your browser's cache and cookies to eliminate any stored data that may be causing issues. After clearing your cache, restart your browser and try logging in again. Ensure that your browser is updated to the latest version for optimal performance. If you are still having trouble, try using a different web browser or device to log in. Disable any browser extensions that might interfere with the login process. If you have access to another network, such as a mobile hotspot, try logging in from there. If none of these solutions work, contact ScienceDirect customer support for further assistance. Provide them with details about the error messages you receive and the steps you have already taken. They will guide you through the specific troubleshooting process for your account. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your ScienceDirect login problems. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.